Hey everyone, this is Spicer McLeroy and welcome to my channel. For those returning, what's up? In this video, I will be critiquing a student who has been with me for 5 weeks with little to no experience in sculpting, anatomy, or ZBrush. I am very proud of these students and their continuing progression. I find that these videos allow me to give them a detailed critique and also show them how to fix it. They get to look back at these videos as much as they need to, and it really helps them learn faster. Make sure to follow and subscribe to my other channels linked below to see my artwork, time lapses, announcements of when I'll be streaming, and any future courses that I'll be opening up for enrollment. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it, and I hope this video helps. Let's get into it. Aliana. Good job, Aliana. This is pretty decent. Someone's been paying attention. Someone's been taking notes and paying attention. All right, good job. Just a few things that we need to fix, but we need to just have a little bit more definitive of jawline here, just for this character. We need to have a pit of the neck. Sternocleido is coming right around here. Chin width is good. Just a little submental fat there. Fill in that area. We can knock this back a bit more because I don't want that encroaching on the actual nose. Move that back, and then we can have the nasal labial come around. We can dig around the orbit. We need to have a little bit more depth in there, and we don't want a shelf here. We want, and we're gonna fix this angle right here. Okay, and then we can send that back for the temple. We can separate that nasal labial, modialis right here. Get that going. If this is going to be the bottom of our zygomatic, then our nose could be raised up a bit. It probably can come out a bit as well. And it's a bit too flat, so we need to make sure the septal cartilage is leading, and then we don't have too much of an angle going back on our mouth. Yeah, we could probably get that modialis a bit more forward. Get it out like that. Okay. Dig in around the nose. You can see how it's coming out and like that. Kind of want it. I'm talking about the nasal labial fold. Kind of want to bring that back. And then we don't want his chin to be too far back for a hero character. And we just want to make sure that we don't have a lot of concavity going on here. That's fine. And we can knock in that orbital furrow. Okay, smooth. We can give him a little bit more of a chin. Okay, maybe widen these nostrils a bit. Make sure we're not breaking any rules for the orbital socket. And we put a little bit more back here. Bring this forward and fix this one up a bit. We don't want it to go too deep like that. Ready? Because if we try to put hair on this head, you know, like every form matters because you're going to just put hair directly on there. And whenever you're trying to sculpt the hair, it's either going to poke through or not come out enough, and your hair is going to look all weird too, right? And sculpt that in. Should be good. Okay, and just splitting the clavicle there. Right? And again, we can have a bit more Cucabella. We can pretty much split it like a V. Send that back. Get our frontal bone. And build that in. And we can attach that ear. Nope. And most of the meat is going to be along the angle of the jaw. And something like that. A bit more there if we want it. But yeah, pretty happy with your progression, Naliana. Keep it going. Keep taking notes. Keep practicing. Either I'm a great teacher or you're inclined to sculpting. I like to think it has nothing to do with me and all to do with you. So just keep going, and I will be here to help you out and really advance your knowledge and skill pretty quickly if you're interested in something like that. Right? Cupid's bow, just a little bit more there. And then here it's just all personalization, what you want to do. Okay? But keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Yours took the least amount of time, so that's good. All right. So let's take a look at what we have, what you came in with. Take a look at this profile, something like that. So we filled out the back of the neck, right? So that he has neck muscles. Okay. Fixed the sterno. Well, didn't fix it, but kind of filled it in a bit more. And it just attaches right behind that little bone you got protruding right behind your ear. That's where it's attaching. Okay. Filled in the orbital socket a bit more. Yours was a little bit too tall, right? So just brought that back down. Put a little bit of alar cartilage and sent this back on each side of the nose so that we have a more definitive plane there. Kick back the eyes and readjusted the jaw, made the lips less wide because they should fit within the corneas, right? Attach the ear to the rest of the face, added some mass to the masseter, and just reinforce that temporal line and fix the overall shape of the skull. Okay, but yeah, you're getting better. You're getting better. Just keep going. Make sure to put in your nasolabial fold, your nasolabial fat, and your modiolus on each side of the mouth. Okay, and a little bit more distance for a heroic chin to bottom lip. Okay, but yeah, you're doing good, doing good, doing good.